What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be giving you a quick breakdown on how to upload a TikTok video. Now there's so many different elements that goes into creating and uploading a TikTok video that I can't just possibly cover them all in today's video. This is just simply a simple tutorial on how to upload a TikTok, as well as some of the simple features that you might see anywhere. Now it doesn't have to be a super complex process. I'm sure you'll get the hang of it just through a few of them that you make. Anyway though, once you get in the TikTok app, what you're going to do is you're going to hit the button in the middle of the screen on the toolbar there. It's like that little play button, and it's going to bring up this menu here where you could begin to record your video, or you could also implement a pre-saved video. If you already have something recorded, you could do that. I just have a black screen, but normally it would show what your camera is seeing. And all you have to do is just hold down that button at the bottom and just record like you normally would. And you can just continue to record and make whatever genre TikTok you want to make. There's so many different options here. And then once you finish recording there, you could add text by tapping on the screen. In the upper right hand corner there's a text button. And then there's a bunch of different options. If you look down a few of there's a sound button. And you could add different songs or sounds if you want. Like I said, there's so many different options, and if you want a bit of an extended video or different videos breaking down each topic, comment down below and I'll be sure to get that out for you. But I'm pretty satisfied with what I made there, so I'm going to go ahead and click the post button, and it's going to take you to this screen here like you would see on Instagram, or if you're familiar with any other social medias. And you could caption your video, add hashtags, tag people. There's a couple different options there if you want to play around with them there, but pretty much just captioning and adding hashtags is the most important thing. And once you've done that, you could either hit post in the bottom right hand corner or save as a draft in the bottom left hand corner if you choose to do so. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you did have any questions or you wanted me to further break down something that I discussed in this video, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.